I joined Linda's a year ago. Wait, Marvin.
You're confusing me. Sorry, I thought they were coming our way.
But hello, my name is Zaina.
I'm Pooja Arora.
My name is Mariam.
My name is Isabella. I'm Brazilian. I have been living in Dubai for the past 12 years. I used to work for a leadership and management training company back in UK.
I am a mom of two girls, 14 and 11. And a few years ago, I used to work as a preschool teacher.
I used to work as a tax advisor. I used to work for the government in Germany.
I'm a teacher by profession, and after an amazing journey of 20 years in teaching, I transitioned into a real estate agent.
I have developed a lot of skills from my previous job as a teacher and from being a mother, such as persistence, patience, and independence. It helped me a lot in my current job as a real estate agent.
Like having a strong communication skill, building rapport, patience and listening, organization, stress management, time management. Working for a leadership and management company taught me a lot of skills on how to deal with clients' expectations, their needs, their wants. And I believe in real estate, that's the main goal, to be client-focused and deliver the best experience possible for such a stressful process, which is buying or renting a property, especially in a different country.
My knowledge in finance is helpful to advise my clients to do the best investments in Dubai and get the best price appreciation and ROIs in Dubai.
For International Women's Day, I would like to celebrate all strong women around the world who believe in their dreams and work hard to achieve them.
Don't wait for your stars to align. Don't let any fear hold you back. There's no perfect time. So, trust your abilities and just go for it.
To all the women watching this, I just want to let you know that you are seen, you are valued, and you are appreciated.
My message for you, not just on International Women's Day, but every day, is just do it. You are capable if you just put your mind to it. Just do it.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.